Desjardins Lawyers, Canadian business immigration law firm. Immigration to Canada. Introducing the Intercompany Transferee. Let's call it ICT. What is it? It is a work permit to be issued by the Canadian Immigration Authority. Who can apply and succeed? It's for someone who already owns a company in operation for at least the past 3 years. Do you own a company since at least 2017? Plus, you must have an intermediate level in French or English of 7 on a scale of 10. Plus, you must have a university degree. Have all that? Let's continue then. Under the ICT, you will open a branch, a parent company, an affiliate, or subsidiary of your current company in Canada. Once you arrive in Canada with your work permit, you'll need to invest in your new Canadian branch at least $100,000 plus in the first 12 months. This is a minimum. Of course, you can bring your spouse and all your children under 22 years old with you. Your spouse can also obtain the right to work in Canada for another Canadian employer. You and your family are eligible to obtain Medicare in Canada and pay the same school tuitions, if any, for your children as Canadians pay. After working in Canada for 12 months, we can file your express entry application. ICT will allow you to gain the work experience in Canada as a business owner. ICT can accelerate your express entry process by boosting your score up to 250 points. 250 new fresh points can make a huge difference, leading to your Canadian permanent residency. Let's resume the time frame. 6 months to get your working permit, plus 12 months of work in Canada, plus 10 months to get your permanent residency. In approximately 28 months, you could be in Canada with a permanent resident called a PR visa under this ICT program. With a PR visa, you're free to do what you want. You can continue the same company branch activities, open a new company, or go fishing or golfing or skiing. A PR is good for life as long as you are in Canada 40% of your time. Upon your landing in Canada, if you stay in the country for the first 30 months and not 36, as you get 6 months already counted under this program, you may then apply for your citizenship passport. Or, if you are in Canada 60% of your time during the first 5 years, this is 3 years out of 5 years, you may also apply for your citizenship passport. Contact your Desjardins Lawyers Immigration Coordinator if you are interested by this ICT option. You can also write to us at info@desjardinslawyer.com.